it's Napo Barista. Thank you so much for checking out my page. Today we're going to be unboxing the Mahlkonig E65S. It's our new grinder. It's the upgrade to our Mazer Mini. So let's do it. Yes, here it is. It comes in a 30-pound box, straight from Mahlkonig. I'm thrilled to be one of the first owners here in North America of this grinder. It literally just came out this week. Alright, so this is a big box. Okay, I don't think I have space to catch the coffee. This is the spout there where the coffee comes out of. We have the manual here. We have the hopper. Ooh. Okay. Oh my god, it's beautiful. You know, I thought that I was gonna be like, whatever, it's just a grinder. No way. Holy moly, am I excited. Nah, I just can't hide it. Ta-da! Woo, child. I'm so excited. Alright guys, so I just put the grinder in place, so I'm gonna go put this hopper in. Now they say you have to put this hopper in a specific way. It has a little thing here that goes into this groove. So you push down and then you twist until you hear a click. There it is. It goes no more. And if you take a look at this blade is what opens the shaft of the bean hopper. And right where that blade ends, it should line up with the screw that's there. And as per the manual, you're supposed to just tighten this slotted screw with a slotted screwdriver. This is going to be the chute where the ground coffee comes out of. This is my portafilter. I'm going to set the portafilter holder to this bottomless portafilter that I use for the Mahlkonig Mini. It's almost perfect. I'm just going to lift it up a little bit here. So what I'll do is I'll get this slotted screwdriver and unscrew the screws on both sides. Looks like we're all set. Slide right in, and as soon as you engage the portafilter, there's a button here, and as soon as that button is pressed, your dose begins. Now let's power this guy up. Power it up. It's on setting number 3. Alright, let's set it to setting number 2, or recipe number 2. And it's already set to 4 seconds, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. Wow! So I happen to have a few pounds of Geometry Espresso Blend by Onyx Coffee Roasters, so I'm going to go ahead and put that in the hopper, give this grinder a try. I'm just going to purge the grinder. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Alright, so after a lot of trial and error, I finally managed to dial in the E65S. It's not that it was hard to dial in, it's just that it was a bit of a learning curve, and I also got distracted doing other things at home. So the grinder came in at a setting of 4. I had to work it all the way down to a 2.2 setting just to get a good dose. So they say you can get a 20-gram dose in between 3 to 4 seconds, and that's extremely fast. Okay, so before I show you how it works, let me just give some quick information about the grinder. This is the hopper. It has this cool card holder here where you can put information about the coffee you're using. The hopper itself holds 2.5 pounds, 1,200 grams. It's really stealthy, it's really sturdy. You have a stepless adjustment here. There's no longer a locking screw here. There's a locking switch here. What else? The grinder is 30 pounds. It feels sturdy. It feels like it was made well. The coating is really, really nice. The digital display is probably one of my favorite things about this grinder. It's totally easy to navigate through all the settings and make fast tweaks. They say you can save up to 6 different recipes. I only need to save 1 and then have my manual dosing setting available to me. But it's cool to have. The removable coffee spout, this is freaking really cool because you can adjust it in a way that the coffee lands right in the center of your filter basket. Another big selling point for me is the adjustable portafilter holder. It's so convenient to have this adjusted for your portafilter. It makes it fast, it makes it easy. It just increases workflow. When you're in a mobile coffee business, you want to be fast. Time is money. Having a fast grinder, an accurate grinder that stays dialed in is really helpful. So this grinder does have the 65mm flat steel burrs. It's the same burrs that are on the K30 series. Now the K30 Vario will no longer be available. It's now discontinued. It has been replaced with this E65S. Quite literally, the only thing that's the same about this grinder and the K30 is that the burrs are the same. Everything else has been remodeled and fine-tuned. So without further ado, let's pull a shot. Alright guys, so that's the E65S. This is not a review, it's just an unboxing. We are going to use this grinder for the first time this Sunday, so perhaps after Sunday I can give a review of our first time experience using the grinder out in the field. But till then, please subscribe and like, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.